The Communist Party of India, CPI, is a political party in India. The CPI considers the 26th of December 1925 Kanpur Conference as its foundation date. Between 1946 and 1951, the CPI led militant struggles such as the Peasant Revolt in Telangana, organizing guerrilla warfare against feudal lords. 9. The CPI was the main opposition party in India during the 1950s to 1960s. Between 1921 and 1924, there were 3 conspiracy trials against the communist movement: the Peshawar conspiracy cases, the Meerut conspiracy case, and the Kanpur Bolshevik conspiracy case. In the first 3 cases, Russian-trained Muhajir communists were put on trial. However, the Kanpur trial had more political impact. On the 26th of December 1925, a communist conference was organized in Kanpur. Government authorities estimated that 500 persons took part in the conference. The conference was convened by a man called Satyabhakta. At the conference, Satyabhakta argued for a national communism and against subordination under the Comintern. Being outvoted by the other delegates, Satyabhakta left the conference venue in protest. The conference adopted the name Communist Party of India. Groups such as Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan, LKPH, dissolved into the CPI. The Emigre CPI, which probably had little organic character anyway, was effectively substituted by the organization now operating inside India. Formation of CPI outside India, 1920, a group of 7 people including leaders like M.N. Roy, Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Shafiq, etc., met in Tashkent, capital of the then Turkestan Republic of the Soviet Union, to form the Communist Party of India. First President, Malayapuram Singaravelu Chattiar. First General Secretaries, S.V. Ghate and J.P. Bijahatta. Founding members of the party, Satyabhakta, M.N. Roy, E.T. Roy, Abani Mukherjee, Muhammad Ali, Hasrat Mohani, etc. The CPI became the first political party in India to systematically raise issues of social justice, untouchability, women's rights, and workers' and peasants' struggles. Over the decades, it grew into a nationwide movement, leading militant uprisings, building mass organizations such as the All India Kisan Sabha, 1936, All India Students' Federation, 1936, and Indian People's Theatre Association, 1943. The party's birth was inspired by the Great October Socialist Revolution of 1917 in Russia, which ignited a revolutionary wave across colonial countries. In India, the anti-imperialist struggles of the 1920s, particularly the non-cooperation movement, 1920-21, and the rise of the trade union movement gave strong momentum to communist ideas. The All India Trade Union Congress, ATIC, was founded in 1920, providing an early platform for workers' struggles. In 1952, CPI became the first leading opposition party in the first Lok Sabha, while the Indian National Congress was in power. In the 1952 Travancore-Kochi Legislative Assembly election, the Communist Party was banned, so it couldn't take part in the election process. In the general elections in 1957, the CPI emerged as the largest opposition party. In 1957, the CPI won the state elections in Kerala. This was the first time that an opposition party won control over an Indian state. E.M.S. Namboodiripad became chief minister. At the 1957 International Meeting of Communist Parties in Moscow, the Chinese Communist Party directed criticism at the CPI for having formed a ministry in Kerala. In the 1980s, the CPI opposed the Khalistan movement at Punjab. In 1986, the CPI's leader in Punjab and MLA in the Punjabi legislature Darshan Singh Canadian was assassinated by Sikh extremists. Altogether about 200 communist leaders, out of which most were Sikhs, were killed by Sikh extremists in Punjab. The Communist Party of India, CPI, and the Socialist Party, India, followed with 16 and 12 seats respectively.